to take the voltage from here? I switched on the power supply.
Positive on the ground.
Positive, one wire is connected to positive and one wire is connected to ground. Okay? And connect this. Which one to which? Tell me.
Red to red.
Positive to positive, and this is the ground of the multimeter. Okay? Now, I want to measure, say I want to make the power supply 10 volts. So how to do that? Here what I have to do on multimeter? Put it in volt. And anything else I have to do on the multimeter?
Yes, DC. It should be DC.
DC. It should be straight. Okay? DC. Now 10 volt, how to adjust this to be 10 volt?
Okay, just move this one.
This
We
one,
need 2
okay?
volts, not 10. Actually.
Yeah, whatever it is. To whichever voltage they are telling, you have to adjust this.
Okay.
So this is step number 1. Don't forget this. How to adjust the power supply. I showed you how to measure the resistance. Now
Yes.
you know how to measure the resistance. Okay? And how to adjust the power supply. Did you understand this now?
Yes.
So this is a second basic thing. And the third and fourth thing, how to measure the voltage in a circuit, how to measure the current in a circuit. In the first class itself, I told you, if you know these 4 things, you can do the circuit. Okay? Now, let us make the circuit, this simple circuit. Okay, tell me, look at the picture and tell me what I have to do.
Resistor to the positive of power
Resistor,
supply.
I will take the resistor, okay,
حاضر عم.
to the positive of the supply. Okay, resistor, I put it here. Positive of the supply, where I'll put, tell me.
Same line.
Same line, because all these 5 points are connected. Now, look at this and tell me what I should do next.
The ground
The ground,
to the ammeter.
ammeter, don't put the ammeter now. I will give you the simple circuit. Just the circuit, okay. This is the actual circuit.
Okay.
For the exam, they will not tell you, they will not give you this picture with the ammeter and the voltmeter. They will give you only this circuit. Where you have the power supply, you have the resistor, and they will tell you measure the current through the resistor, measure the voltage across the resistor. That's it. They will not give you this picture. Do you understand? So
They're gonna give me this circuit. Huh?
only this they will give you. So we are going to make this circuit. So tell me, I connected the positive to the resistor. So what is the next thing which I should do?
Negative to next end of resistor.
Resistor. This one, the ground, should be connected to the next side of the resistor. Okay? So this is connected to the next side of the resistor. Okay, this is connected to the next side of the resistor.
Okay.
So the circuit is complete, right?
That's it.
Did you understand? Look at the picture and see what I have done. This is the positive. This is the positive of the wire. I connected it to one side of the resistor. Okay? And the other side of the resistor is connected. This is the free side. It is connected to the ground or the negative of the supply. So this is the simplest circuit. They will give you only this, not with the ammeter voltmeter. Okay? Now, how to measure the current through the resistor? So I told you the first step, you should know how to measure the resistance of a given resistor. Second step, how to adjust the power supply. Third thing which you should know is how to measure the current through a resistor. First we will see the voltage. How to measure this? Say I want to measure the voltage across this resistor, VR. You tell me how to do this.
Positive to positive, negative to negative.
Positive, where I should connect positive?
Here.
Positive, left side of what?
Resistor.
Resistor. And this one?
Here.
So the voltmeter, so now this one is in volt, right?
Yes.
The voltmeter is always connected in
Volt.
parallel or series?
Parallel.
So this is parallel connection or series connection? Parallel. So voltmeter is always connected in parallel to the circuit. So this is how you are measuring the voltage. See, I got 10 volt here.
Okay.
Okay, because there is nothing else in the circuit. So whatever voltage we give here, it will come across the resistor.
Cause what? Sorry, can you do?
Across the resistor, because there is no other thing in the circuit. Okay. So this is how you are measuring the voltage. So voltmeter is always connected in parallel to the circuit. So in the exam, nobody will give you this circuit. They will give you this and they will tell you measure the voltage across this. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how to measure the current? Tell me.
We always connect series.
And take a free wire.
Ammeter is always connected in series to the circuit. That means it should be as part of the circuit. So tell me somebody how to measure the current. Break any side of the resistor. Either this side or this side, whichever is okay.
Same but different sign, right?
Any side you can break. So I am saying let me take the positive side. If I take the positive side, now what I should do?
Take a free wire.
Put a wire.
Put a wire. From where I remove the connection, there I have to put the wire, right? So I remove the connection from this line, right? So I should put the wire in the same line.
Okay.
Now what I should do, tell me.
Positive.
Positive to positive. And this one?
To the resistor.
To the resistor. So then now the ammeter is inside the circuit. It is in series with the circuit. Yeah, put it in milliampere DC. So we have high current. It is because the voltage is stand. I reduce the voltage. So this is the current. Okay? 5.73 milliampere.
The calculation change to
Milliampere. Yeah, for the calculation you have to change this to ampere. So now you studied how to measure the voltage, how to measure the current, how to measure the resistance, how to adjust the power supply. Okay, I will put two resistors in series. You tell me how to
Can
do
you just tell us the second part, the filament?
Filament is the same thing.
الأولى خلصت صح؟